Hi, welcome to Icy Big and Small. Today we have the Huina 1569 bulldozer. We will unbox the 1569 and show it on display and talk about its build quality, its pros and cons, and 1569 in action.
The box from outside looks premium and packaging inside looks great. Inside the box, it came with the bulldozer, a remote, rechargeable battery, charging cable for the battery, and a manual.
The overall design and shape is quite realistic, but I'm not sure about the scale of this. All I can say is it is definitely not 1:16. It is much smaller, probably 1:22. Which is disappointing, but at the same time it was fun to operate.
The battery is quite easy to connect. However, inside the battery compartment, it might seem to be a little cramped, but once you position the battery and cable the right way, the spacing for the battery and cable seems perfect. The battery compartment has a plastic lock and a screw to hold the cover in place. The remote needs two AA batteries, which are not included in the box. Also, the light and sound are both controlled in one switch. You can't choose one or the other. They both turn on and off at the same time. There are two buttons to operate the blade. If I hold top or bottom button, the blades just move up and down endlessly. It doesn't have a stopping point unless you time and adjust it at a certain position using the remote.
Now, if we move back, we have the rippers. The rippers also look like the material is made out of heavy duty stuff, but we can't figure out if it's metal or not. Apart from that, the overall build seems pretty solid. I believe all the operating parts such as the blades, side arms, and the rippers are all made from a different material, probably zinc alloy. The parts look heavy duty to me, and the tracks feel like rubber. You may even call it a rubber band track. The on and off switch is located at the back of the cabin, unlike other Huina models where the on and off switch is mainly located under. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you look at the range of Huina's excavators and then look at this bulldozer, you will be disappointed. But having said that, I still enjoyed operating it and have future plans to upgrade. A couple of things I would like to add is some weight to the body and add some traction to the track by gluing some rubber blocks or pieces around the alternate tracks. But that will only be possible if we have your support. You don't have to subscribe to our channel. But if you could just like and watch our videos, that will tell YouTube that this content is good, and they will promote our videos, and that will motivate us to create more videos. So thank you for your support. Until next time, bye for now.